Good morning, everyone. Our topic for today is lesson 3-5, multiply multi-digit numbers, and you will find this lesson on page 137 up to page 140 from your book. Here is the learning objective for today's lesson. You're going to use properties and the standard algorithm for multiplication to find the product of multi-digit numbers. Let's analyze this question. Write and solve a real-world problem with a question that can be answered. The equation 36 multiplied by 208 equals n. So the possible answer is, look at Rachel's work. Rachel writes a problem that involves joining 36 groups of 208 and asks an appropriate question. She also solves correctly and states the answer as complete sentence. So her question or problem is Larry did 208 sit ups every day for 36 days. So how many sit ups did he do? Then she multiplied 208 by 36 using the standard algorithm. 3 times 6 is 48, regroup 4. So 6 times 0 is 0 plus 4 is 4. 6 times 2 is 12. So the first partial product is 1248. Then she puts 0 before multiplying the tens place. 3 times 8 is 24, so 4 regroup 2. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2 is 2, and 3 times 2 is 6. Then add all the partial products. 8 plus 0 is 8, 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 1 plus 6 is 7. So the total is 7,488. For Jill's work, Jill uses the numbers 208 and 36, but doesn't write a problem involving a real-world application. It means she did not follow the instruction. So she doesn't solve the problem also. So the correct answer is for Rachel's work. So how can you use multiplication to solve problems? How much does the Carson family pay each year for their cell phones? So you can use the commutative, associative, and distributive property to make the computation easier. So as you can see, we have the cell phone's bill costs $271 per month. So what are we going to do? You just simply multiply 271 multiplied by 12 or 12 multiplied by 271. So since multiplication is a repeated addition, you just add 271 12 times. Okay, add all of this. So if you add that one, you will get 3,252. It's the same as 271 multiplied by 12. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 7 is 14, regroup 1, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So we have 542. Then we need to put 0. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 7 is 7, and 1 times 2 is 2. Then add all the partial products. 2 plus 0 is 2, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 7 is 12, regroup 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3, so the answer is 3,252. Carlos saves 18 cents every day of the year. If there are 365 days this year, how many cents will he have saved by the end of the year? So write an equation that represents the problem. So what are you going to do is you just simply multiply 365 multiplied by 18. So 8 times 5 is 40, so 0 regroup 4. 8 times 6 is 48 plus 4 is 52, so 2 regroup 5. So 8 times 3 is 24 plus 5 is 29. Then we need to add 0 before multiplying the tens place. 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 6 is 6, and 1 times 3 is 3. Then add. This becomes 0, this becomes 7, this becomes 15, regroup 1, and this becomes 6. So that's why the answer is 6,570. Next, Leela drives 129 kilometers around trip to work. How many kilometers does she drive in 31 days? Write an equation that represents the problem, then solve the equation. So what are you going to do here is you just simply multiply 31 by 129 or 129 multiplied by 31. So 1 times 9 is 9, 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 1 is 1. Then we need to add 0 before multiplying the tens place. So 3 multiplied by 9 is 27. So 7 regroup 2. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. Then 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Then add 9 plus 0 is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. Then bring down 3. So the answer is 3,900 kilometers. Number 3. 4 times 1 is 4. Then 1 times 3 is 3. Then 1 times 1 is 1. Then I need to put 0 before multiplying the same digit. So if it is the same digit, I'll just copy 4, 3, 1. So 4, 3, and 1. Then add. This becomes 4, 7, 4, and 1. So the answer is 1,474. So the same thing here. 5 multiplied by 8 is 40. So 0 regroup 4. Then 5 times 2 is 10 plus 4 is 14. So 4 regroup 1. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1. That is 21. Then we need to put 0. 3 times 8 is 24. So 4 regroup 2. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. Then 3 times 4 is 12. Then add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 4 is 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. Then bring down 1. So the answer is 14,980. And 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. So 0 regroup 3. Then 7 times 6 is 42 plus 3 is 45. Regroup 4. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 4 is 16. Then we need to put 0. 5 times 5 is 25. Regroup 2. 5 times 7 is 35 plus 2 is 37. Regroup 3. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3. We have 13. Then 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. Regroup 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Plus 7 is 14. Regroup 1. 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. Then bring down 1. So the answer is 15,400. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and answer the following questions. Time is up. So the answer for number 7 is 24,957. Number 8, 51,612. Number 9, 33,764. Number 10, 36,765. Number 11, 92,862. Number 12, 9,774. Number 13, 56,296. Number 14, 60,750. Number 15, 60,795. Number 16, 39,974. Number 17, 74,682. Number 18, 10,962. Number 19, 10,260. Number 20, 14,300. 21, 93,425. 22, 25,215. Now, let's proceed to the mathematical practices and problem solving. Number 23. Jason frequently travels for work. This year, he plans to make 15 trips to Chicago. What is the total cost for the airfare? So write an equation that represents the problem, then solve the problem. So the correct answer is 7,335. Why? Just simply multiply 489 multiplied by 15 because going to Chicago, the ticket costs 489. Next, number 24. Which would cost more? 15 trips to Boston or 11 trips to New York? The correct answer is 15 trips to Boston would cost more. Why? Because Boston, the ticket costs 178. So if there are 15 trips, 178 multiplied by 15, so the answer is 2,670. While 11 trips to New York is $225 each trip. So 11 multiplied by 225, the answer is 2,475. So 15 trips to Boston would cost more. 25. A cook at a restaurant is planning her food order. She expects to use 115 pounds of potatoes each day for 12 days. How many pounds of potatoes will she order? If there is already a model here, if you want to add all of this, you can do it. But the shortcut way is you just simply multiply 115 multiplied by 12 days. So 5 times 2 is 10, regroup 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 2 times 1 is 2. Then we need to put 0 before multiplying the tens place. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. And 1 times 1 is 1. Then add 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 5 is 8. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. Then bring down 1. So the answer is 1,380 pounds of potatoes. 26. Caroline bought a gallon of paint that covers 250 square feet. She wants to paint a wall that is 16 feet wide and 12 feet high. So explain whether or not she will need more than 1 gallon of paint. So what you're going to do is you just simply multiply 16 multiplied by 12 to get the area. Okay, so 16 multiplied by 12 is equivalent to 192. So 1 gallon covers 250 square feet. So she needs only 192 square feet to paint. Therefore, she needs less than 1 gallon. So 192 less than 250. So she needs only 1 gallon of paint. 27. That estimates the product 257 by 29 is less than 6,000, and Martha disagrees. She estimates the product is more than 7,000. Whose estimate is better? It should be Martha's estimate is better because the product is more than 7,000 since 250 multiplied by 30 is 7,500. 28. When you multiply a three-digit number by a two-digit number, what is the greatest number of digit the product can have? So the answer is 5. Why? Because the greatest three-digit number is 999 and the greatest two-digit number is 99. So their product has 5 digits. So no other product of a two-digit and three-digit number could have more digits. That's it. Thank you so much and have a nice day.